Welcome back to another new video. Like, share and subscribe our channel. Is the Samsung Galaxy M34 5G the best phone from Samsung, available at an incredible price of 20,000 rupees? Today, we dive deep into its features and performance to find out the truth. And welcome back to Let's Get Started. First things first, let's talk about the pricing. The base model with 6GB RAM and 120GB storage is priced at 19,999 rupees. But don't worry, there's even better news. You can get an additional discount of 2,000 rupees, making it an amazing deal. Now, onto the display. We have a 6.5-inch AMOLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate, delivering smooth visuals and deep blacks. It's perfect for content consumption, but I have to be honest. The design does look a bit outdated with those large bezels and the infinity U-notch. Speaking of visuals, let's focus on the camera. The Galaxy M34 5G has a powerful 50 megapixels main sensor, along with an 8 megapixels ultra-wide and a 2 megapixel sensor. The best part? You can record stunning 4K videos, something quite rare in this price segment. On the software side, we're running One UI 5.1, providing a stable and user-friendly experience. But there's a catch: it lacks some advanced features like DeX. However, Samsung has made a commendable promise. You'll get Android updates for up to 4 years, which is hard to find in phones under 20,000 rupees. Now, here's the icing on the cake: it's a 5G device. We tested it with a 5G SIM, and the speeds were impressive. VoNR support ensures a seamless 5G experience. For all-day power, the Galaxy M34 5G packs a massive 6,000 mAh battery. But keep in mind, that comes with a price. The phone feels a bit thick and heavy. Samsung missed the mark by not including a charger in the box, but if you pre-ordered, you'll get a 25W travel adapter for free. So, to sum it up, the Samsung Galaxy M34 5G offers a compelling package with its excellent camera, a smooth display, and long-term software support. It's perfect for those seeking an all-rounder phone without a heavy gaming focus. While there are some minor downsides like its bulky design and last year's Exynos 1280 processor, Samsung's aggressive pricing makes the M34 5G a solid choice in its price range. So, if you prioritize a big battery, a top-notch camera, and software updates, this might just be the one for you. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the Samsung Galaxy M34 5G. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech reviews. This is Your Name, signing off. See you in the next one.